This be giving me a headache, low-key. I be tying this elastic band so tight. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zahria, if you don't know me, and in today's video I'm doing this 30-inch unit. This unit is from YOLISSA hair, so shout out to YOLISSA hair for sponsoring your girl. They sent me this 30-inch body wave unit, and I'm not gonna lie y'all, I'm just get straight to it. This is my favorite body wave unit that I've received thus far. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, like, this hair is soft, it's full. Everything you look for in a wig is giving, okay? So anyway, with that being said, I styled it in this like little like half up, half down, 2 ponytail, pigtail type of situation. I've never done this hairstyle before, so I'm not gonna lie, it's still growing on me, I don't know. But it's cute. Just to give y'all some of the specs on the wig before I get started. It is body wave hair, it's 13x4 HD lace. It's 30 inches and it's 250 density, and I got a medium cap size. So just so y'all know like all the specs before I get into it. Anywho, remember to like this video, comment on this video, and of course subscribe if you have not already. And if you want to see me install and style this wig, then keep watching. All right, y'all, I'm gonna start with showing you the wig. So this is the wig. This is her. I already bleached the knots and plucked the hairline. So this is what she looks like. She's 30 inches long. And as y'all can see, the ends don't look thin. Cause you know, sometimes when you get long hair, the ends be like thin, but it's not as thick all the way through. Okay, so I'm putting the wig on just cause I wanna see what it's gonna look like. Okay, so it looks really good, but I obviously need to cut the cap a little bit. And also, before I even like get into all that, I need to spray the inside of my wig so that it could match my skin tone. So for that, I'm using my Even Tinted lace spray in medium dark brown. It comes in a bigger can size now, y'all. I never seen the can this big. Like, I don't got an old one, so I can't show you what the small one look like. But like, this is like twice the size of the other one. So of course I got this one because I stay running out of these. Anyways, I sprayed it on my wig cap. Now I'm gonna spray on the inside of my wig. So as you can see now, it has like a brown tint. It's gonna blend a lot better now that it matches me, you know? So I'm putting the wig back on. And I'm gonna definitely have to like cut this cap back a little bit. I literally always have to cut the cap back. I kind of wish the hair came like a little bit more forward so I didn't have to do that. But like, it's all good. So I'm gonna just cut the cap so that you don't see it as much. I mean, once I put the glue on it, it's gonna blend anyway. I just like for it to be like, I don't know, I just feel like that cutting the cap and making sure it already looks seamless from jump just makes it look more seamless in the long run, if that makes any sense. Okay, that's probably all I'm gonna cut off. All right, so now I'm just folding the wig back so I can get started with the glue. I haven't changed nothing about the way I do my glue. I still do the same thing because it works, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I've been using this super lace glue. I'm gonna link everything below as always, but I'm gonna start with the super lace glue. I'm gonna do one layer of this real quick. All right, and then now I'm gonna use 4 layers of this bold hold glue so that my wig could really stay on. What's crazy is I don't even know if I'm gonna keep wearing this wig like past the weekend. So I'm gonna do 2 layers of the bold hold just because I don't know how long. I don't think I'm gonna try to keep this wig on for like a whole week straight. I don't know. I'm gonna just do 2 layers. All right, so I did 2 layers of the bold hold, and now I'm gonna just do 1 last layer of the first glue that I was using. All right, so the glue is done. Now I'm gonna pull the lace forward and I'm gonna start to comb the glue into the lace. Combing the glue into the lace is basically like, I mean, there's a bunch of ways to get the lace to melt, but like that's like the first step. Like you don't wanna just put the glue on the lace. I mean, put the lace on the glue and then leave it. Like you wanna comb it in, make sure it get in there, you know what I mean? So. I don't know what just happened, but like basically the sides just did not lay down at all. It's 4 layers of glue there, so I don't know why it didn't just lay down, but the middle lay down and the sides just like was not cooperating. So I just put some more glue on the sides and we're gonna try that again. It's okay. Okay, so I got it to lay down. Now I'm gonna take my elastic band and tie it. This be giving me a headache, low-key. I be tying this elastic band so tight. All right, so I got the elastic band down. So basically I'm gonna just let this sit for a little bit, probably like 5 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit. I don't really know how long. Sometimes I'll be leaving it on longer, depending on like what I end up doing while I'm waiting. All right, y'all, so it's been a couple minutes, probably like 2-3 minutes, but I'm ready to take this off. So I'm gonna take it off. It's definitely giving. So yeah, I'm gonna start to cut the lace. I really wanted to try the eyebrow razor thing again, but I can't even find them, so we're gonna stick to these scissors. All right, so the lace is off now, so I'm gonna go ahead and melt it some more. I'm using my Got To Be spray. You could really use any hairspray. I'm just gonna spray it along the lace. And I'm gonna tie it down again with my elastic band. And we just gonna let that sit for another like 5 or so minutes. Ciao. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. I just looked at my Snapchat because they talking about some, look what you was doing 5 years ago on today, and they could have kept that. Just adding like a little bit more spray. I've noticed that like when I do this, it continues to melt like even after I take the headband off. So we just gonna let that do its thing or whatever. And in the meantime, we're gonna start to style the hair. So I'm doing a middle part. I'm doing a half up, half down, but like I'm doing 2 ponytails instead of 1. So we need a middle part. And y'all know I like to use my wax stick whenever I'm doing my parts because it just makes it so much easier to see the part. And of course I'm gonna hot comb it once I figure out exactly where I want the part to be. And then of course, obviously my wax stick will be linked in the description. It's the She Is Bomb wax stick. I got it off Amazon, so yeah, it'll be linked below. I think that's the middle. Is that the middle, y'all? I'm just hot combing it so that it could be like nice and flat. All right, I have my part, and then I'm gonna do some quick little baby hairs real quick, and then I'm gonna be back. Okay, so I finished doing my baby hairs. So now I'm about to do like 2 ponytails. I hope this comes out cute, cause I don't know, girl. I'm taking these little pieces out because I want to have like some little strands in the front, but like low-key it's making me second guess if I want to have these baby hairs right here. Like I don't know if the baby hairs and the strands is like too much. I mean, if it is, I'm just gonna brush it back, but like I'm just pull these out for now. I really hope I can get these ponytails to be even, because this really be the hardest part. And then if they're not even, taking these rubber bands out, it's gonna be annoying as hell. I'm gonna cut them, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not about to. Oh my God. I feel like it should be higher. Yeah, I don't like that. I literally hate doing ponytails. I just feel like it's gonna be so cute, so I really wanna do it, but like, ugh, oh no. I'm not even gonna lie, the fact that I have to do another ponytail irks me right now. Like, I really, the fact that I just did one and I still have another one to do is like, not it. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna have to redo these ponytails because I just went like this and took a picture of the top of my head and you can literally see the tracks because I did something dumb and I pulled too much hair into the ponytail. Anyways, long story short, I'm gonna redo the ponytails and I'm gonna come back because now I'm getting frustrated. Not me catching the attitude, but yeah, like this is that's not gonna work. All right, I finally finished these ponytails. I don't know if I wanna do it straight, leave it straight, or do it curly. Like throw some little curls in it, but I'm thinking I want to curl it, so I'm gonna curl it. Honestly, I'm gonna speed through this because I don't really got too much to say. I'm gonna just let y'all watch me do this part because, yeah, honestly, like, I'm really sorry, y'all. I really ain't talked that much in this video, but like, this hairstyle was hard for me, so I don't feel like I've been talking that much.
Check up on it, got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it.
Alright, so I finished putting all the curls in. I'm gonna hairspray it because I really want it to stay in these curls, but I also want to like run my fingers through it real quick because I don't know, I don't like when my curls is like too perfect. So I just want to hairspray it so it'll still like keep the curls while I run my fingers through it. But y'all, this hair is like by far my favorite body wave hair that I've received. It's just really soft and full. Like the whole time I was curling it, I'm just thinking like this hair is so soft. So would definitely purchase, would definitely recommend. Damn, I hope I didn't put my fingers through it too much. Alright, and then I am gonna like real quick wrap some hair around these hair ties just because, I don't know, I just feel like it's ghetto if I don't, so. And what I like to do is like make it kind of like flat and then wrap it around. I'm a hairspray it just so it stays. All right, y'all, so the hair is done. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, like I was real impatient with this one. This is why I don't be switching up my hairstyle so much because it irks my soul. But I'm not gonna lie, it really came out cute. Like it was worth it. Let me stand up and show y'all how long it is because I know I've been telling y'all throughout the video it's 30 inches, but let me stand up just so y'all can see how long it is. I'm trying to back up because it's so long that like the camera can't even see it. So, hold on, I'm gonna try to zoom out a little bit. Okay, now y'all can see. You see how long it is? And it's curled, so keep that in mind too. It's curled and it's still going past my butt. And as you can see, it's super full all the way to the bottom of the hair. It doesn't get thin at the ends or like nothing crazy like that. So yeah, y'all, the quality is there. Like, my favorite body wave unit I've received. And that says a lot because y'all know I be getting a lot of hair. So, so yeah, definitely 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to like this video if you like this video. Comment below and then of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This hair is so bomb. Like, it's just so soft. I can't stop touching it. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, I'm in awe. But but yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment some more hairstyles I should do, because I really be trying to switch it up and do other hairstyles. I'm sorry if I keep looking over there. It's because my monitor's over there and I'm looking at me instead of y'all, and I need to be looking at y'all. But don't mind me. Anyways, comment hairstyles that you want me to do, because I really be trying to switch it up for y'all, and I don't want to keep doing like the same things over and over again. So anyways, y'all, that's all I gotta say for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.